First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I'm going to start my beautiful topic, and my topic name is the importance of mother. Mother is called heaven because every mother is special for her children. She is a great teacher, lovely friend, and strict parents also. She takes care of the family, need of the whole family. If there is anyone out there who loves us more than our mother is only God. Mother is the most beautiful part of our life, through which we come into this world. We can never pay that right as much as mother does for us from childhood till growing up. My mother is an ordinary woman. She is my strength and my superhero. In every step of mine, she supports me, she encourages me, whether day or night. She is always for me, there for me, no matter what the condition is. I want to give message to all of you. We all should respect all mother and obey also everything. No, whatever our mother speak, we should never talk a lot our mother. Nowadays, children are not respecting our parents, and so please respect your parents, because no one can love you like your mother, your father. Now I would like to finish my topic. Thank you for listening.